Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to update your Hisense Smart TV browser. Hi everyone, in this video you will be learning how to update your Hisense Smart TV browser. So if you want to update that one, then here's some steps. First, you want to check your TV models and OS. So Hisense TVs run on Vida, Roku TV, and Google TV or the Fire TV. So the update method depends on the operating system. Next one is update the TV software. So to do that, you want to press the home button on your remote, go to settings, go to system, go to about or support, and then system update. There you can select check for updates, and then if an update is available, download and install it. And that's it. So here are some other steps in order to maximize the usage of your Hisense Smart TV. You want to upgrade the browser via the App Store if it is supported. So on your Google TV or Android TV models, you want to open Google Play Store, search for browsers, and then tap Update if available. So if you're using Vida OS, open the Vida App Store, find your browser app, and then select Update. Lastly, you want to reinstall the browser if still no update option. You just want to uninstall the browser app from your TV and then re-download it from the TV's app store to get the latest version. And that is all on how to get or update your Hisense Smart TV's browser.